This is a very short video demonstration of ProgrammExpress for the Charlotte Tilbury project team. So ProgrammExpress, web-based portfolio program and project reporting solution. Just demonstrating that we can very quickly set up an instance of the database using your corporate branding and logo, hence the background and the logo here. This is the logon page to ProgrammExpress, and very briefly, if we log on as an administrator, what this does is it gives us access as an administrator to the home screen, which shows, if we open up all the portfolio programs and projects, we can see everything that's going on within the organization. Purely demo data, and the structure is highly configurable. So the administrator can see every single project, and they can see the data that sits behind each of the modules, shown here as icons, but better described through the tabs of commentary, plan, resources, cost, benefits, impacts, risks, and logs. Those are all the modules. From this screen, the administrator can access all the data. So very quickly, if we open up the plan by clicking on the square, we can see a very high-level plan for that specific project. If everybody makes their updates and we structure it accordingly by program and portfolio, what that means is that, as I've just shown you, a plan, we can go into some reports that we've shared out. We can have my reports or shared reports. Very quickly, if I show you a Gantt chart report, that now, because we're running at the top level, will show you the plan for every single project sitting within the portfolio. Easy as that in terms of aggregated and consolidated reporting. If I'm a user and I log on as a user using my name, Nick Wilson, and Wilson for Nick Wilson, MD of ProgrammExpress, and password. I'm now logging onto the same database, the same home screen, but a filtered view. And the filtered view says that for this user, you have right access to these three projects and expected to update these modules: commentary, plan, costs, and logs, which are issues, actions, decisions, etc. So if I select project 4A, I can click on the commentary, I can make an update. When I've made an update, I can go through the plan, make an update, go through the costs, and then go to my logs. Very quickly make those updates. What I can then do is go into the reports that I've set up as the user and say, what does this project look like if I've made my updates? So this will be an individual project report, specifically for project 4A. And here it will show you, probably a bad example because this project's just about finished, but it will show you the commentary threads of what's been said, financial information, and wherever there are milestones. So that's the experience from the user, very simple. If I go back to be the administrator, as a result of knowing that everybody's made their updates, there are plenty of admin reports that show the health of the data. If I go to a reg status report that we've set up, this is your consolidated Excel, but it's automated, it's real time, there's no gathering of information, and here we can see project information, who the manager is, and the commentary threads that we've configured specifically for this report. You'll see also we apply the logo in the top corner. So that would be the reg status report. We've shown the Gantt chart report. We can have a look at what the red risks are across the portfolio. And we can have a look at resource usage. So our resource forecasting is very straightforward. It shows an Excel style report showing the number of days expected to work on specific projects where we've got an over-allocation of resources, and all the resourcing is aligned to the plans, so resource information will move as the plan changes. So that's just to give you a very, very quick flavour, simple to implement, simple to set up and configure, and to make it look like your own. So I'm Nick Wilson, MD of ProgrammExpress. I'm going to forward this on to Khalid, and if there's some interest, then maybe it can lead to a webinar or a face-to-face meeting. But whatever, thank you very much for watching.